Ho, 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 ho. Hello. The life is strongly fluid. Like yesterday is been lovely day, sunny day, and today and this evening is cold outside. Because you must be prepared on everything, but you must be cheer up and keep it cheerfulness. Only with that energy and emotions your life will be wonderful and calmness water with full of happens. Život je jako tečan. Kao juče bio divan dan, sunčan dan, a danas i večeras je hladno napolju. Jer na sve moraš biti spreman. Ali moraš biti raspoložen i zadržati vedrinu. Samo sa tom energijom i emocijama vaš tvoj život će biti divan i mirna voda, puna dešavanja. Until soon. See ya. All the best.